This past week, I learned how important family was to me. My sister was visiting from the States, and her boyfriend Haram came as well. We all went on a short retreat together as a family. My parents, my sister and Haram, me and Henna. We were used to just having the four of us, but now we have 6 people. It was a different dynamic, but it was a very beautiful dynamic. We had a lot of fun at Rizal Recreation Center.
We are here on the eve of our 29th wedding anniversary.
I can't.
Really?
We also visited some of our extended family in the area where my mom grew up. I'm very fortunate to have a beautiful family, and I know a lot of people don't have that. And not all people value relationships the most, and maybe that's okay. So let me know, what do you value the most?